Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the DT Ultra 3 smartwatch. It is one of the few wearables or smartwatch in the market in the Apple Watch Ultra clone category with animated or 3D watch faces. As you can see here, it is equipped with a 3D watch face. Okay, so it is a beautiful feature here where the watch face is sort of a video or a 3D type. Okay, graphic, as you can see here, amazing watch face. Okay, and a new feature for the DT Ultra 3 smartwatch is to make your own video as a watch face. Yes, you can now make your video, short video, as a watch face. And on this video, we are going to have a demo of that. We'll see. We will download, or we will have a short video and download it to our DT Ultra 3 smartwatch. So if you are interested on how the video watch face works with the DT Ultra 3 smartwatch, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and make our own video watch face. So let's go to the support app. We are paired or connected to the Wear Pro application. Okay, let's wait for it to load. So as you can see here, we are connected. Go to my watch face. Then after that, tap on customize. We have premium picture watch face, advanced video watch faces, and picture dial. Tap on advanced video watch face. You have an option to pick analog or digital. So let's try analog watch face. Okay, so these are the options, but if you're going to pick the digital, there's a lot of options here. Okay, so let's try digital. Okay, then tap on this one. You have an option to select from the album. Okay, so we have a video here, or we can make our own. Okay, so let's take our own photo or video. Long press to shoot 3 to 10 seconds. Okay, so let's focus on the video here. Then let's try long press. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's it. And check. Okay, so that's our video here. Okay, 4 seconds. Then check. Please wait. Let's see if the video will be processed. Okay, and we have here our video watch face. Then save. Let's see. Okay, it's now installing. Downloading the thumbnail. It's now installing. Okay, so it may take some time, so let's wait for it. Okay, as you can see here, it is almost finished, so let's wait for it. It may take some time to download, but hopefully it works. Okay, so this is a video watch face for your DT Ultra 3, one of the few smartwatches with this functionality. And installed successfully. Dial successfully installed. Please wait. And as you can see here, I have my own video watch face. Somewhat a 3D watch face for your smartwatch. Nice. Very good feature. Very cool and advanced feature for your DT Ultra 3 smartwatch. Is your DT Ultra 3, or is your Apple Watch Ultra Clone Smartwatch do have this feature? Drop a comment below. Amazing watch face for your smartwatch. Okay, again, if you find this video useful, drop a comment below, and of course like, share, and subscribe. Bye.